Theorem po, sum and difference rule. Ibig sabihin, kapag may plus or minus, gawin mo, i-solve mo lang yung unang term, tapos yung pangalawang term. I-apply mo yung theorem 1, 2, 3. Ano yan? Example. Okay. Limit. Okay. Tapos yung x mo is 3. Negative 3. Okay. Yan gawin mo. Ano itong limit 2x, di ba? Yun muna. I-apply mo yung theorem 3. Kaya yung answer mo dito, 2 times, ano yung limit ng x? Negative 3. Tapos yung limit ng 5, theorem number 1. Apply mo yung theorem number 4. It is 5, constant. Tapos multiply mo. Same sign, add negative 11. Answer.